Hi, welcome to Lesson 1, Review Background Information. These lessons cover the important background information that I feel is important for the remaining lessons in this series. The topics are 1. Gain historical perspective. 2. Understand the nature of current. 3. Understand frequency. That's frequency harmonics, and rise time. 4. Visualize electromagnetic fields. 5. Deal with propagation speed. And 6. Understand impedance. Now, I have a real concern, and that is if you have a good background in electronics, you may consider your background strong enough that you can skip these lessons. Please don't. I'm confident that no matter how strong your background is, there are going to be some new nuggets here for everybody, and there's some viewpoints that you haven't seen before. There are 2 lessons I particularly want to call your attention to. In Lesson 1.2, I introduce some fundamental laws of current. One is that current flows in a loop. There is no exception to that rule. And it has a corollary. Every signal has a return. If you have a driver and a trace and a receiver, current is not flowing. Current is not flowing until there is a return loop back from the receiver back to the driver. Every signal has a return, and you need to know where it is, because most of the signal integrity issues we run into are caused by the return currents. And you're going to hear that over and over again as you go through these lessons. In Lesson 1.4, I show some figures of electromagnetic fields around the trace and how they change, or in one case don't change, as we change trace parameters, the width, height above the plane, spacing, and so on. Visualizing these fields and how they change can be helpful in understanding signal integrity issues, particularly in the areas of EMI, crosstalk, propagation speeds, and impedance.